The word renewing has the same root word and pretty much the same meaning as the word renovation. Well, I know something about that now. Here's a quick story. We've lived here 20 years. Really haven't done anything as far as renovations. And then, not that long ago, our postal carrier driving past one day stops, points a finger at me and said, "I hate coming to your house. Your porch, your steps are unsafe. Fix them." Okay. It's like, how hard can that be? Well, it's hard. And here's what we found. So, after I took away all of the rotting wood in the guardrails and the steps, all of that nasty wood, all right, we had some of these that were in the steps, and then there was some wood that we had these that were buried in there. Some of them are good, some of them are rotten. We had a retention wall, so these are in here. Oh, in the wood, take a look. Wow. Yeah, rusty as could be. Okay, so after that layer, then there's layers of dirt, layers of rock, and then there's another layer of these, and then there's some more wood in the bottom, which I'm still digging out, by the way. I'm down now, what would that be, about 5 feet? Okay, so I've got that wood, it's rotting. And then there's some of these bricks under there. I found some stone pillars over here that were put in from the old deck. And there's, here we got some more stakes and rebar. And I've found some old stones. And I'm not saying how long these have been in here, but look, I think it's fossils. I think it's fossils in the rocks. Isn't that cool? Well, oops, I haven't dug it all out yet, but I'm going down more and more. I want to get the rotten stuff out. I tell you, it's hard work. I slept in the bathtub a couple nights. It hurt so much. There's more too. So as I'm taking away the retention wall, these are old bricks, and I'm starting to find there's all these running along all the way back to the house. Can you guess what those are? Yep. We're talking 65, 70 feet tall. So just for fun, the neighbor guys come over to pester me every now and then while I'm digging, and they say, "So, where does that gas line go into your house anyway?" I'm like, "Gas line? What?" So then I finally called. They came out with these pretty flags. We got a blue one, don't know what that means. And then there's a yellow one too. So I think those lines go down the driveway. And here we've got buried water. And I don't want to break into that. So I'm still working at getting all of this stuff out so that I'll know what I can put back in. Renewing takes a lot more work than I thought it did. My wife says that I should call my brother before I hurt myself. He's coming out on Saturday.